now, aren't they? Oh, having a little mini adventure. We've come down to Liso Bay.
Oh, remember
Just
in there.
we parked the van over there. We've got the paddleboards with us, so I don't know whether we're going to get them out, but we kind of feel that the tide's coming in quick enough. 5 days ago we were on a clear blue beach in Tuscany in Italy, and today we're in the murky Mersey in the old brown sludgy water. It's not very pretty, is it?
It is a movement, Paul. It is, the tide is coming in.
The tide's coming in, yeah.
That's this.
But there's people, this is a really shallow beach if you want to come down for a paddle. Liso Bay is definitely the beach to come to. If you look out there, there's some people out there and about half a mile out. You can actually walk out about half a mile. It just goes out for hours and hours. The tide is coming in, so yeah, we'll probably get the paddleboards out and we'll have a little bit of a dip maybe.
Octopus.
Octopus?
Yeah, not octopus, medusa.
A medusa? A squid?
Big squid, jellyfish.
A jellyfish?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't want jellyfish on me. Oh.
It was really big.
We don't want jellyfish on us.
Okay, I feel like let's take the boat.
This is definitely a real rough-ass video. It's just literally me and Dora out after work. It's Friday evening, we finished work, packed up the van, just plodded down to the beach to get a bit of sunset. And yeah, just get out of the house really. Scorchio weather.
We haven't been out for a long time because Paul, every time he came
I've been
back
working on
home.
the van, haven't I? So every time I come home I've got work to do, so we haven't really been out. But yeah, we've got the van out.
Kittens that they don't want.
And the kittens we're looking after, yeah. So yeah,
So we needed that.
Just a bit of a natural everyday vlog.
We needed that Friday feeling, isn't it?
Friday feeling.
Yeah.
A Friday feeling.
Yeah.
Right, let's get these paddleboards pumped up.
Yeah, you're gonna pump up too?
Any recommendations for a really good pump as well? Because we're still doing it by hand and we need a good pump.
Yeah, because
they're a pain in the ass to pump up by hand.
Yeah, for you.
Whew, they take some pumping up, they do. This one's the first time it's been out. I've never had this one out. I bought it last year second hand from Facebook and I've not used it yet. Dora uses hers, she uses hers quite a bit. But we do need some electric pumps, man. These things are knackering. I put 13 PSI in and Dora's probably up to about 10 at the moment. She's struggling. You can see by the muscles in her arms.
You're doing this.
and I'm doing this. I've got the wrong glasses on as well, haven't I? Got my best glasses on instead of my other ones. Dog there. Dog. What are you doing out here? Come on, you're going in. You're going in. Come on. Come on. Come on in. Come on. Good boy. I think you wanted a ride. Big one. Hello. surfing then for about 30 seconds. Well, that was a fun little half hour or so, paddling in the brown water. I don't know if I got it on camera, but just as I was coming into shore, the wave caught up with me and I was surfing for about 3 or 4 seconds and suddenly, wallop, it tipped me over and binned me, put me in the water. Paddleboard hit me on the top of the head as well. It's alright, I survived. I survived. Right, it's hard keeping your keys. How do you keep your keys dry as well? I put them in a plastic bag and stuck them inside a waterproof bag and stuck them in my pocket, but how do you keep your keys dry when you're going out on the paddleboard? That's what I want to know. Nice bit of salt water. Nice bit of salt water. It's gone.
What do you mean it's gone?
It's gone. That's what the warm one was. So we've come. You've got your dress wet. So we've just come back down to the water just to serve a purpose. If you're at Liso Bay and the water's really, really warm, guess what it might mean? That's what the sea's for, isn't it? Right, we're done. We're going to go back up. See, the boards are up by the van up there, looking right posy. And yeah.
You're taking me for dinner?
We're going to get
Fish
McDonald's,
and chips.
fish and chips. Maybe we might get some fish and chips on the way back. But yeah, we've been out on the paddleboards. It's been really nice. The first time I've used that board, and I quite enjoyed getting out, even if I did get flipped over at the end. But I need to get flipped off because I'm still nervous about using the paddleboard. I don't use it very often, and I want to be able to learn to stand up, and I want to be able to learn to get on it when I'm out of deep. But when you're in the sea, it's really hard to stand up.
Next time, river.
Yeah, we'll try the river and stuff. I just need to have the confidence about being in water. Even though I can swim a bit, and this is really shallow, you build up the confidence of the stuff that's underneath you that you can't see. Liso Bay's dead flat and it's full of sand, so it's not too bad. But yeah, let's go and put the kettle on, maybe have a quick coffee in the van, and then
Fish and chips.
Fish and chips.
You know, you get my drift.
Costa Latte.
Hell yeah.
My turn.
You had yours.
I know, I want yours as well. Straight out the fridge as well. Heaven. What's ready?
Yeah.
We'll sleep in it. Next weekend's our first sleep.
You're gonna have your towel.
Next weekend. Left or right? Left?
I don't know. Left.
Left. Stop to the left.
It's cold.
Chips. Oh, chips on the floor. So, we went to the chip shop and it was cash only, so that was a bit of a fail. And then we went to a chicken shop and we've got chicken and
oh man, what we
we've got
haven't
onion
got.
rings, and we've got mozzarella cheese things, and the sunset's going down. Sunset's already gone down over that way, but we're down at New Brighton for this evening to finish off proceedings, and we're just going to sit down now, tuck into this,
Stuff our faces.
head off home. This was just a little simple vlog just to say hi, and we do things in the UK, and we are going to be doing a lot more in the UK as and when the van gets built. But yeah, paddleboarding, getting wet, and dinner.
Stuff in our faces.
See you soon. Ciao for now.
See ya.
And yeah, don't forget, like and subscribe. Give us that thumbs up. We're doing all sorts of travelling and adventures, and hopefully you're going to come and join us. See you soon.
See ya.
Bye.
Take care. Look at this.
Oh, chicken.
Get that.
Chicken, mozzarella.
Chicken, mozzarella. Remember the Marrakesh people that were singing songs?
Onion rings.
I could do a party here.
Not bad, eh?